This person's acting like they don't care about you, but I'm seeing that this person has a huge ego and they're very, very stubborn. I felt like when you first met, they came in really hot, yeah? And you were seeing each other steadily, and then all of a sudden there's this shift in energy. There are strong feelings for you, but there is also strong F-boy energy here. It looks like someone's actually jealous, maybe jealous of the attention that you get for the people, or you communicating with other people, but they don't want to show you that they're jealous because they see that as a weakness. So instead of showing you they're jealous, they just kind of shut down and ghost you. And that's because they're so much in their ego state. Their ego is like a form of protection that's protecting them from showing you that they're jealous. So they pull back, which then affects them because they can't communicate with you. And they do want to communicate with you. Their biggest fear is that you're going to meet somebody and move on. So they've got a lot of insecurity as well. And I feel like you're just tired of this connection now. You want to know where you stand, whether it is or whether it's not. Like, you feel like, I just need to know what's going on. There's a lot of toxic energy. You argue, you make up. You argue, you make up. It's very toxic and it's very energetically tiring. But from my cards, I can see you can't let go. You're really struggling with letting go. I feel like you're thinking about them a lot. I feel like they're on your mind a lot. I feel like you go back and forth as to whether you want to be with them or not. Some days you feel like no and you feel great, and then other days you really, really miss them. You could be dreaming about this person, or maybe like seeing their initials, seeing angel numbers, seeing their car drive by. Look, Six of Cups, you really, like, you have this real melancholy feeling about them. Like, you miss them. You miss their connection. You could have gone on holiday together or was talking about going on holiday together. There's definitely some kind of travel or some planning on traveling is around this. What else comes up here? Page of Pentacles there. What else comes up? My name's Lalath Grace from Which the British. I'm a Roman Egyptian Tarot reader. Private readings available through the link in the bio. Right, okay. Look, there's some good stuff here in this connection, right? And as well, it's a progressive connection. So like every time you get back together, it's progressive. But there's always this little demon energy that pops up, right? That stops you from fully connecting. So whether that be friends, whether that be them self-sabotaging, I feel like every time you take 2 steps forward, you take 1 step back. You'll take 3 steps forward, you'll take 2 steps back. And it's that kind of energy that you have. But there is some good stuff here. I feel like you two have good banter. I think you have a good laugh together. And it feels like there is a really deep soulmate connection here. They are coming up as a twin flame energy though as well. So this is, lessons are meant to be learned in this connection. I think for you, it feels like it's too much to handle right now, you know? And you're trying to listen to your intuition and say, no, I need to be strong, have strong boundaries. And you are really trying to do that work there. However, it's just coming up that there is a lot of good here, and that's what's ultimately making it just so difficult to finally break those final ties. Both of you want this connection to work, by the way. Ow, my cat just clawed me. I know, both of you want this connection. Both of you want to communicate. You both want this to happen. You both want the connection, but it's that you are both, I think you both have issues in this connection. Do you want to say hi? I'll take it to the part 2, by the way.